started streaming that. Alright, so it has started streaming, and I am where I left off. So the thing I wanted is, I don't know what I really want to do. So, here's that. Break this shit, and it has been rigged. Okay. The thing that I have is the rotation values in this one. Rotate X 90 degrees, then make identity has not been applied. So, right. So we scale attribute. This too has been. But even the internals of that has not been, identity has not been there. Okay, let me do freeze transforms. Where is the nose? Modify freeze transformations. Again. I hate the window being on the other side. This is problematic. Where the heck is my phone? Okay. This one I really do not need the one. Apply true 1 1 1 and 0 1. It has been applied, but it is not applied. I think it has to be applied even after being parented. So do the same thing after you make parent. Everything is just cmds dot make identity. Okay. So it's going to be, what I'm going to do is delete these and do the same thing. And do not run. First of all, you want to do reg, and yeah, the freeze and transforms has worked. After that, this one should also be freeze transform. Maybe make identity here. That's that. After that, and do these again. Run the script. And again, the other side. Rig. I do not know whether or not. Yeah, this is fantastic. Okay, the rigging is complete. Not really rigging, but the thing that we wanted is complete now. I guess a small switch here in to close and open the eyes should be there. Or on the sides of these should be. Actually, it is not ideal. I have to make a switch. I have to make a simple switch that's going to switch the thing, which can be implemented in any script. Here I'll make a switch, and here I'll make a switch. I'll parent to this one as well. So that's switch. Before that, I'm going to use a ball constraint. Before that, what I'm going to do is display animation and joint sides a little bit bigger. I want those. So I want to see how this rotates. Okay. So I'm going to delete those. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that iRig after selecting the RxCMDS, select, you're going to select the control, and you're going to select, you should do for each left eye, I in L and R. For I in L and R, what I have to do is use the pole constraint. So I'm to go to the constraint tag. Not really pole constraint, it is basically point to where is that? Aim constraint, yeah. Constraint. You can turn the maintain offset is true. Hold up type is basically vector, and it should be 0, 1, 0, basic thing. Okay, everything is basic. So what I'm going to do is go to the where's Myers document. What the heck? Here. To search for what it is called as for the aim constraint. Aim constraint, aim constraint, aim constraint. Where is aim constraint? Aim constraint is here. So basically we can just try aim constraint. Local coordinate state point. Oh, and it's easy. You can just constrain it here. So you should constrain the control and I. Simple. I don't know why I was overcomplicating things. Okay. Great. I think it has been constrained. Yeah, true. It's gonna aim wherever you. Let me use the tablet because it's a little bit harder to do with the mouse. Okay. That is, yeah, that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's just okay. The rigging is alright. And maybe top level. Not really necessary. And draw override again. Control D, Z does not work sometimes. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna change the color. So now to change the color, what you have to do is colorize this one. So I've made a function here which will just draw the override color, draw color override control and color. So color, I'm going to use color 2, draw color override, draw color override. So what I'm going to do is for basically the IMC color to this one, and really I do not want to color those. I just want to color the draw color override control color 2. Okay. I have to use a tablet because it's going to be a lot more easier. What the heck is this? Key space switch screen. Where is switch screen? Switch screen. Which one? Okay. So switch screen. Yeah. So this one. Alright. Easily bring it up here. Break that shit. And yeah, this is alright. This is the color that I wanted. Okay. After that, I want to have some switches. The switches, I'll put them at here, somewhere here, and it's going to be greatly similar to the IKEA switch that I had made, which is here. I'm going to see those. I'm going to do this one. This one is the switch that I'm talking about. It works. Now it's going to switch. I have to make it. And what I've done here is it is really not really a modular way to code. So I have done that, which is of course not the way that we should do the coding thing. I don't keyframe. Everything is here. This is what we have as first. Okay, so I'm going to copy those. So it is a lot of work to do it again. So another thing is draw switch. We should implement another one. Another function do we use here? You are going to use draw switch. Draw switch. So I'm going to paste it right there. Everything is basically this text editor is a little bit. Okay. The circle name should be what should be the circle name? Circle name is equal to S. So circle name is basically equal to circle name. Rectangle name is equal to R. Rect name is equal to R. Okay, everything up to here to making identity is alright. I don't know why it is here, but yeah. Rectangle and everything is alright. Minimum value, maximum value. Add attribute. Yeah, so attribute to be attribute should be named switch only. So attribute both short name and long name is going to be adder. ADDER. Long name is art. The reverse node is going to be reverse node name. It does not really matter, but keep it easy. All we have to do name plus reverse node. Short name, okay. Connect attribute, okay, everything is going to be connected. IKFK switch attribute is basically ADDR. So ADDR, basically this one. I haven't constrained and everything. We do not want this to move. We'll specify where to move. Move is equal to 1 0 0. Move another one is IKFK switch. IKFK switch, I have the attribute for this one. This attribute. Oh shit. I have to understand this again, because for each of the joins it's basically joining the reverse node and the main node, which is not really needed. Only thing that we need is that, yeah, what it is driven. We need something that the frame. Yes, the switch should driver by translate by, which is driven. The attribute that is driven is IKFK switch. So this is not needed. Attribute that is going to be driven is going to be ADDR. Attribute that is going to be driven is again local name. Okay. Oh, what is this? Alright, it's going to create a switch. So I'm going to make a switch. I do not know where to move it. And yeah, it's better to set attribute rather than moving it in particular direction. So rather than doing this, I'm going to set attribute mds.set attribute. So what I'm going to set attribute for is the rectangle. So rectangle name plus translate x to move 0. I'm just going to do that and copy that down, paste it, and down, paste it. What's just happening here? Like this shitty thing. 0, move 1, move 2. So set attribute to translate x, translate y, translate z as well. So we have to set attribute to these things here. It's going to be 0, 0, 0. Okay, there's no need to give any arguments because all of those is arguments are default arguments. So draw switch. So I'm just gonna write draw switch. I do not know what it's gonna do. CMDS draw switch, because the draw switch function is gonna be massive. Okay. Let me. Oh yeah. Run that. Okay. Time for our boon. 72, line number 72. Not cmds.draw switch, man. It's just draw switch. Is there namespaces in Python? Let me look at that. Namespaces in Python. Namespace equivalent in Python. Module. Oh. Leave that shit. There is nothing like that. Okay, I have to do this. Run. I use the tablet, why I'm not using that. So moving that this side and rig it. Line 26. Line 26. Okay. Switch cannot be found. 26. Circle name for attribute. Connect attribute. Oh, it is dot attribute. Shit. Add dot there as well. Okay. Do it again. I think I'm about to succeed this time, man. Word is the judgment day. Yeah, switch is there. Come on. Let me look at that. Switch. No. No. A value error. No object matches name as switch. Line 36. Again. Shit, man. I have to add dot there. Okay. Run the script. I am here. Let's rig that shit. There is no any error for now. Ah, yeah, switch is working. The only thing that we have to do is change the scale of this thing, because this is ugly. Okay, so in order to change the scale, I've already done that here 2 times. You do scale 0.3, 0.3, 0.5 rectangle. Now we can scale it at the totality. Right before after the parent constraint. Here we're gonna scale MDS scale. Basically the rectangle made, but how we're gonna scale? Everything is 1 at first, and rect name it is 0. But x, y, and z, the x is going to be 0.7. Has it been parented already? I guess yes, 0.7. So I'm gonna run this script again, bring this up. Red. Shit, it is big. I told it to be smaller. I think only that resides. It's not working. So where is that to scale? Man, it's just connecting attributes, so I'm going to delete this. This is not really needed. I do not know why I'm trouble getting this. Okay, time to save this as well. I'm going to open up Telegram, and what I'm going to do is move to the other tab for privacy reasons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to CGI, Maya, and paste it there. Okay, I do this sometimes, I guess. I do not trust anything. Yeah, I should trust someone. It's Telegram for now. Okay. Okay. I do not know why my computer is broken so much. This desk service and everything. System is taken. Oh, alright. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. God, that. I have to scale the rectangle 3.0.3, 0.3. Now we can scale it here after doing everything. Could have been better. Scale 0. X should be 0. Not really X. Let me scale the Y. 0.8. 1. Make more noticeable. Okay. Run that. Instruct. Rigid. This seems like that. Alright. So it has to be 0.5 in the Y direction. 5 in the Y direction. Like yeah, I guess that is what we want. scale axis 0.5, you should make identity red name is equal to 3. Okay, everything is as per what we want. Okay, and move it right. There is switch. This one is maintained offset. Alright. Tangle name R. In order to read that the attribute name should be blink, and everything is going to be alright after that. Okay. So you're going to draw the circle, you're going to move it. There's no need to move anywhere. The defaults are alright. So what you're going to do is draw switch. Draw two switches actually for, yeah, you can place it in this loop. Draw switch. So the rectangle name should be, rect name is, circle name, it does not really matter. The rect name here, alright. Name is blink. Maybe we should look at I. Let's blink. Blink. Rect name. Word. In I plus word. And attribute is just blink. Right? Circle name. The attribute is blink. I think it will work. After that, where we should place it? Just the right side of the thing. Since it's going to draw it at the origin. What we can do is we can scale that. Yeah, scaling is not recommended. 2.5, it should be scale 0, scale 1, scale 2. 0, 1, 2. Move is already implemented. Scale 1, 1, 1 default. I plus blink attribute. And in order to do this as well, draw switch, and after switch, best thing is to keep that at that board, or it should be, I think it should be parented to the board where it is looking, I guess. Okay, let me parent it to the rectangle. So parent is cmds dot parent constraint. So you're gonna parent constraint to the control. So you're gonna parent constraint the control to the what is called I plus board. This is the rectangle name. You're gonna parent constraint that. Maintain offset is false, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna name it delete, not delete that. Then just delete delete del, and after that what you're gonna do is cmds move. So we're gonna move a little bit right each one. Yeah, the right side should be moved right side. So in order to move that shit right, you have to move x, so 0.5 0 0. What is that? That one was I plus board if that contains L and cmds that move 5 5 0 0 I plus board if I that contains I guess this should run. I do not know whether it will or not, so yeah, invalid syntax. I knew that. I thought Python supported this kind of syntax as well. If contains okay, now we're gonna do this thing. I guess rig it. Oh shit, I thought this is what it looks like. Everything has been shitted around. Oh man. Ah. Two of those, right? परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं मुझे छोड़ के परदेसी परदेसी जाना नहीं. Line 70. I'll make it for you. This one is shitty thing. Okay. Oh shitty shitty shit. Oh shitty shitty shit. Oh shitty shit. Why the fuck there are two circles? Oh shit, there are two stuffs here. Yeah. Just set attribute and get attribute. I have to use those two. Which is a cumbersome thing to do. I hate doing that. But I have to do it anyway. Okay. Moving in this direction. And to get no. We are not gonna get anything because transformations are missing. We have to draw the switch before we've made any identities with those. Parent constraint. I'm gonna use the parent constraint. Parent constraint. So what kind of parent constraint I need? I need the I to be constrained to the what does it I plus board. This is what I need for now. Sheet containing that. Okay, where's that? Alright, everything is super cool. Everybody gangsta until it's working, it's working, it's working. I do not know why the orientation of this thing is like that. I guess it is alright. Okay, rotate by y-axis 90 degrees and translate G by 0.8 and make identity. Yeah, it's easy. So CMDS name name is basically delete. It is weird. So delete that parent constraint. Delete it. So after deleting that, you can do CMDS again dot what the heck. Okay, the parent constraint. No, what I'm doing. Rotate in y direction, so y by 90 degrees, 0, and what we have to rotate is I plus. Okay, after rotating that, you should set attributes. Let's set attribute of I plus board plus dot translate G attribute to 0.8, I guess. CMDS let's set attribute plus board plus translate, that is X attribute to use the catch. And attribute is also not one of things. It has to be positive and negative. to the first iteration or the negative iteration. I think ternary operations are supported. I is equal to j I. Then it is going to be 0.8, I guess right side 0.3. And if and else minus 0.3, I guess. I do not really know. Okay. I do not know whether this is gonna work or not, but invalid syntax shit. I think this is not supported. If I is equal to I, and that one, if I is equal to I, and this one, as in ds dot get attribute I plus more dot confirms made x, right side is minus 0.3. 0.3 maybe, okay. Oh shit. Doing this shit. Yeah, it does work, but why it is not rotated? The rotation is not there. It has worked. For now. Okay. If I is equal to this one, both were false. Or I in JL. There's an easier fix. I can't follow. I is equal to I plus 1. If I is equal to 0, the left one is first. If I is equal to 1. Rig. No, it has not worked. It has worked. Come on. It does. It has worked. It has worked. It has worked. I thought it didn't. So 3 is less. Do it 1, maybe. Rotate I by 90 degrees. I remember. Press more. -4. $72. It is working, and I do not know why it is not working here. What kind of rotation it is needed? Noted why. Oh, reason why it should be 0. So do not rotate that. I guess now it should work. Ah. I think we have to rotate it 180 degrees. Ah. Now it seems to be a place. Ah. Man, after a long time. I should have just failed for that one. Okay, I'm back now. I forgot that the stream was on. Shit. Okay. After it has been done, what I can do is change the scale of this thing. So scale should be proportional. Now you're gonna use a little bit of math in order to do the scale, right? Okay. So the proportional scale, that means all of those should be 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Okay. It's basically proportional. It should be half the size. But the y should be even smaller. So you can multiply by 0.5 in this case. Okay, let me do that. Rig again. So rig it. Rig that shit. That's super cool. That's alright. Yeah, it seems like a robot. Oh. Everything breaks something. The scale is gonna break that? I thought it wouldn't. I think the y should not be downscaled. It should be as it is. No. It's gonna work now. Yeah. Oh, well, I think it can be downscaled more than that. Right, transfer parented with these again. After that, you have to parent everything to the rig control. You can parent it with the IMC. So parent, where is the parent? Where is the parent that we made here? Parent. Where is the parent? Yeah. Control to IMC. So you have to make I plus board to IMC. Okay. Alright. So after that, you have to do is do this rig, and those are all right. The rigging is super cool. It has to be parented to something in order to be scaled. Yeah, I guess that's the original scale. Okay. Maybe we can see these aiming things. Looks like that. Yeah. I forgot other thing. Or a jaw joint. I want the jaw joint as well. I think I could add a jaw joint here. I can control the downward movement. Okay. Okay. One of them could be jaw. Yes, label is equal to jaw. Command is equal to cmds rename jaw joint of jaw. Was not that one, it is this one. Alright, this one. I guess it's gonna work, so cmds rename I didn't mean that shit, man. I do not know. Jaw. Jaw. Okay. Run the script. Now what I will do is like that and make it jaw. Anything around the fundamentals or anything. Why do I forget every time that it is a streaming? Okay. Alright, after that you can run the script. And I have been rigged. And yeah, you should parent it. Change all, change that, and the jaw, the head. I'm gonna start with jaw. What about I can draw? Because we're gonna move that logically. Logically, we cannot move this bone. We can move this bone like that. We cannot logically move this. It's not ideal. But what to do? We have to do it. Now I'm going to make a code for it. I'm going to make a cube. Image. No. Oh shit. Yeah, let me look at it. Eyes. There we go. Jaw. Jaw. I basically hate the reading process. Copy this because I've lost a lot of assets because of this thing. Paste it in Telegram later. Basically, yeah. Basically, okay. Alright, so after that, what I can do is for the jaw, I'm going to create an observer. Curve tool. Oh, yeah, EP curve tool is going to be great. We can, of course, make by using the point. Can't we? The only thing that is going to bother me is the point that we have. Yeah, select. Let me create using the EP curve tool. EP curve tool. Yeah, points. Modify or create curve tools using EP curve tool. But this time I want something else. It is not linear. Bezier. A Bezier. So from the side, what you can see, basically the rest of it. top. Make an EP curve tool right thing here. No. Ah, shit. I do not know what kind of curve should I make. Edit those EP curve and this one. Okay, I think this is working. This I didn't know why it didn't work. I do not think this is the good tool to do anything. CV curve. Okay. This is not ideal. How can I create that shape, that jaw kind of shape? The only way to create this is create a notch circle. After creating that, what I can do is edit mode and can we edit this? No. What? It's only thing that I can do is add a robotic this triangle shape. Okay, so basically the robotic triangle shape is what I'm gonna do. That's pretty easy to create, but I'm going to define some points. These points are the points of a triangle. Points of a triangle are basically what it is. Maybe 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. And the thing is that the pivot of this one should be here, so that we can rotate this. So the only thing that we will do for the jaw is rotating the jaw instead of moving it. So the pivot point of both of those should be at here, so that we can rotate this thing like no, it's not gonna happen. So set up the triangle shape. The points, it should be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Not really, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. And this axis 1 and minus 1, 0, 0. And actually it should be the same place. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, and minus 1, 0. The other 3 points. Now, what I can do, that is draw EP curve. So CMDS, you're going to create the curves, the EP equal to points, and name jaw control. Okay. I guess that should work for now. Right, rig jaw as well. Alright. So the script, press rig, it has been rigged. Oh yeah, degree should be. Degrees should be 1, and it should return back to 0, 0. Okay, I guess that will work. Right. Rotate Y by 90 degrees. So rotate this thing by 90 degrees. Rotate 0, 0. I don't think that goes to be there. It should be going parent constraint to the jaw maintain offset pause and multiply meet parent and friend. I guess. Great. After that, rotate. Since maintain offset is not there, it's running it. That's right. It should be instead parented to the head, I guess. J head. Shit. Closing the window. Window. Delete DY. Window. Okay. Play. Yes, that is alright. What to do is move that this side 50 degrees. Not really 50 degrees. What to do is this thing and this thing. Spin to end. No.
Ai thường lắm nè.
What? What?
Ai thường tham nói chữ quê quê rồi.
I'm not thinking about it.
Nhưng mà tại
Alt vector should be 1, isn't that? Two. What is the fucking alt vector? Alright. Time to stop this streaming.